Once you get your Ancestry DNA kit, there are important things you need to do to get started. First, you'll need to set up an Ancestry account online if you don't already have one. It just takes an email address and a password, which will be securely encrypted in our system. Next, you'll need to activate your test kit, which will link your Ancestry account to your DNA test results once they've been received from the lab, a process that takes about 4 to 6 weeks. The lab never gets any identifying information about you, just the tube code from your kit. Once your account is set up, you can configure your Ancestry profile and adjust your privacy settings, like whether you can see or be seen by DNA matches, or what information you wish to be shown on your profile. You can also download your DNA data and control what information is visible to other Ancestry DNA users. It's important to remember that each test must have its own account, with the exception of tests for children, which can be added to a parent or guardian's account. Once your DNA results are ready, you'll be able to start your own journey of personal discovery and learn fascinating new things about, well, you.